Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. In this video I'm going to just show you a couple of projects that you could make with the embellishments that I had done in my previous video. I did a project share of some do-it-yourself embellishments where you can make them using your scraps with very minimal paper layering. I'll put the link down below for you if you wanted to have a look at the video. I'll show you the ones that I'd made. So this is just one of the embellishments. They're really easy and fun to make as well, and really quick also to make. So there's another one. And these word sentiments that I've got here, I do have these in my store as well. If you wanted to purchase these word sentiments, you get a pack of 20. They are a great seller. I've sold quite a few of them, so I'll also put the link of my store down below for you. So these are the ones that I've made, and I'm just going to show you what I had done once I'd made the embellishments. So what I've done, I've made these cute little mini file folders using the mini envelope punch board by WRMK keepers. So that's one of the embellishments, and this is the file folder that I've made. So that's one of them, and this is the other one. And the papers that I use for the file folder are by Dear Lizzie. I'm not too sure which paper collection it is, but I know it's a Dear Lizzie paper pad. So that's the other one. So that's how I place the embellishments, just to decorate these cute little mini file folders. And it's a great place where you can write a little note and then add this to your package or to your snail mail or happy mail. So these are another two that I've got here that are blank, and I'm going to just apply two more embellishments onto the file folders. You can also have your file folder facing upright as well if you like. It all depends which way you like to have it. I'm going to have mine long ways, so I'm just going to grab two more for one each for. Okay, I think I might just place that one there. So all I've done was just grab one of my foam dots, a double-sided foam dot. I'm just going to place it in the middle like that, the back, and then just place it onto the file folder, and just like that, and that's all ready to write. So that's done. I've got one more here. I'm going to make another one. Might. I think I'll use that one. Again, I'm just going to place another little foam square onto the back and just place it in the center. I just thought if I use the foam squares, it just gives it a bit more dimension onto the file folder. So that's just another way you can add your embellishments. Now these little mini file folders are these ones. It measures about 2 inches by 3 inches, and this one here is a pack of 6, and I do have this available in my store if you like to purchase these. So that's what they look like. Really pretty and nice bright colors. So I have them in my store. Now some of the tabs might either be on the left side or on the right side. So as you can see, this one here, the tab is on the right side. So some of the folders may be either on the left or the right. So just I thought I'd point that out to you if you decide to purchase them. And now another way you could use these mini file folders, if you have them or if you'd like to purchase them, I made a little booklet with it. And I use one of my charm dangle paper clip to keep the booklet closed. And this is the other embellishment that I've placed on the front. So this is the adorable little charm dangle. You can also use this as a bookmark in your planner, or use it as a closure in your little flip books as well. So that's the embellishment. And when you open it up, that's you can write in there. This part here, you can add some photos, some more place for some journaling, another place for photos. And this booklet holds 3 of the little mini flip books. really easy to make. All you need to do is you just need 3 of your little mini file folders, and then you just need to cut out 3 pieces of your scrap paper at 3 inches by 1.5 inches and fold it in half. So you need 3 of those and 3 file folders. And to join the file folders together to make the booklet, all you need to do is you need to apply a glue to both sides, and then you grab one of your folders and you just place the first one on top of the part where you applied glue. So you'll have that on that side, and that part where you've got glue on that side, you just place your other file folder to the other side, and that just creates the hinge to hold your flip book together. And then you'll have a second piece. So once that's glued on, you turn it over and you repeat that with the next file folder. You apply glue to the back, stick it to the back of that folder, grab your other file folder and just place that onto the back of that one, and that will keep all your booklets together. And then you'll have one more piece of your scrap paper, and that will go on the front just to decorate the or just to keep the spine neat, and that just gets placed on the front like that. So you apply glue to that side and also glue to the back side there, and that just keeps that nice and neat like I have here. So as you can see, that's one file folder. That's that little piece that I've joined together for the next file folder, and that's the other piece, and then that's your back. So that's just another fun way you can make these cute little booklets with your file folder as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video on what I did with my embellishments. I'll put all the links down below. I hope you like this quick little video, and I will see you in my next video. And again, don't forget, I will be doing a giveaway. I'm just needing a little bit more time just to put everything together, and I should be doing that very soon. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.